Hi, Andy is here. Today, we are introducing Lesson 1. It's about time and date. Are you ready? Let's solve some fun problems. Let's read the statement together. We started to go back home from summer camp at 4:32 p.m. yesterday and arrived at 6:11 a.m. this morning. How long did it take us to get home? We noticed that this is a question about calculating hours and minutes. So, how do you solve this problem? Let's work out together. Here we go. We solve this kind of problem, we need to find the start time. Where is it? Here we go. 4:32 p.m. yesterday. And then we need to find the end time. It is 6:11 a.m. this morning. Now, let's draw a line to illustrate the times. Here we go. This is the start time. 4:32 p.m. yesterday. And this is the end time. 6:11 a.m. yesterday and this morning. So there is a midnight, 12 o'clock. We put it here. 12. Now, we need to find the duration from the start time to the end time. We need to split it into half. So first, calculate yesterday, this part, and then today, this part. Here we go. So it's 4:32 p.m. What is the closest hour to 4:32 p.m.? It's 5 p.m. So 4:32 to 5 o'clock. It will be 28 minutes. We write it here. And then from 5 p.m. to midnight, 12 o'clock. How many hours you went? 12 minus 5. What is it? It's 7 hours. Here we go. 7 hours. So we know that it took 7 hours and 28 minutes from 4:32 p.m. to midnight. Now, today, 6:11 a.m. It's pretty easy, right? 6 hours and 11 minutes. Now, what is the whole duration? We simply add them up. So, 7 hours and 28 minutes plus 6 hours and 11 minutes. How should we do it? Here we go. 28 minutes plus 11 minutes equals 39. 39 minutes. And then 7 plus 6 equals 13. So 13 hours. I think we got the answer, right? 13 hours and 39 minutes. Where is it? Ha! It's A. Ta-da! If you choose option A, congratulations, well done. So next time, when you notice that it's about calculating hours and minutes, you need to find the start time and the end time, and then find the duration. And that's the answer. All right, next we'll come to our second problem. Get ready. Let's read the problem together. Today, Wednesday, 8th of April 2015, is the day of the SASMO competition, and your friend says that the Singapore Math Kangaroo contest was 14 days ago. On which day was the Singapore Math Kangaroo contest? So we notice that it's a problem about calculating dates. How do you solve this kind of problem? Let's do it together. All right, so when you try to solve this problem, because you need to find the day of the week and the specific date of the month. So first, let's break it down. First, we try to find the specific day of the week. We need to use a method of the remainder. Okay? We call it a period cycle. So we notice that it's 14 days ago. And today it is Wednesday. So you know, each week has 7 days. So 14 days ago, we will use a division. So here we go. 14 divided by 7, that's a week, equals 2. There is no remainder. So that means 14 days ago, it's still Wednesday. Oh, we can quickly find it's option C. If you need to be in a hurry, maybe you can just pick this one and you will be correct. But we need to find the specific date of the month. How should you do it? So we notice that it's the 8th of April. So 8 days in April. 14 days ago. First, we need to use the subtraction. 14 minus 8 equals 6. Okay, so which means 8 days ago, it will be the end of March, because March, after March, there will be April. How many days are there in March? 31 days. So 8 days ago, we go back to 31st March. Now we still have 6 days. Now 31 minus 6 equals 25. Now you know 6 days ago it will be 25th March. 25th March. Now you know the day of the week and the specific date of the month. What is the answer? It's C. All right. Now you know next time when you see problems about calculating dates, you'll probably need to use the remainder and then your subtraction to find the specific date. Well done if you choose C. All right, so this is our lesson 1. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.